Sean, there, look. Sean, look.
It's way louder up here. Mom, it's way louder up here.
It's loud enough. Oh my, that was too close.
No, come up here. It's like clear. You can hear everything.
Oh, yeah, 'cause you're up higher.
No, you can hear the air moving.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, look over there. I think they're spinning. They're spinning. Look. Look.
Yeah, I see it.
I think it's going to be a tornado. That's going to be a tornado. Hey, Sean, bring me your phone. Frank, do you guys see the tornado starting? I think it's heading east. There it is.
What?
That's the tornado. Where's your phone?
It isn't a tornado?
Yes, that is the start of a tornado.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Frank, where's your phone? Did it go back up? You see the rotation? Looks like another one coming that way. Oh yeah.
It's on the...
Look at the rotation. You can see the rotation.
It's on the news right now.
Yeah. Here, hold this.
No,
Oh, Sean, please.
I refuse
Well,
to actively participate in these events.